Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Windows was unable to connect with your Bluetooth network device, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the status of the services associated with Bluetooth. So here's what you have to do. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the list of Bluetooth services. Right click on the Bluetooth audio gateway service and restart it. Bluetooth support service, restart it. Bluetooth user support service, also start or restart it. The next solution is to what do we say? Update the Bluetooth drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Expand the list of Bluetooth drivers. Right click on the Bluetooth driver and select update driver. The last solution will be to run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, scroll down, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.